Don't forget to smile.
One
Oops.
single
Bro.
piece of
Oops, I fucked
Okay,
her.
thank you.
Of course, I fucked her up. Okay, we gotta
That is
go.
funny. Okay, bye.
Okay,
I
let's
completed
go.
my task.
Okay.
Oh,
Yay.
go ahead. Go ahead. Okay.
Where's
there-
Getaway
I-
Call?
Yeah, I completed my task.
Blue.
Oh, it's just getting.
I'm
lighter.
already scared at what you're doing, girl.
Hi, Matt.
Nick, what is happening?
Hi, I'm scared what the fuck the staircase.
Why is this
What
going to be
the fuck is Nick
Skybase?
doing?
The Skybase is going to go crazy.
Blue, keep it away from
Oh, wait.
Blue. Keep it away from
Never mind,
Jax.
Mateus.
Keep it away from Jax. Blue. Jax will
Wait,
kill
why
him.
is
Right,
there-
right.
What the hell?
What are they doing?
This is dirty, just to
So,
keep
like,
us
I'm
on.
actually suffering.
But
Usually
hey,
it's
wait,
too-
once we complete our task, can we say what our task
Oh.
was unknown?
Oh, I got it.
It's my
Ava, there you go.
face.
Well,
Please do not
You guys are
damage
kidding.
spawn.
You got it? Blue A fruit on the Ava. I don't know if she got it.
I got it.
Jax, get the fuck away from that parrot.
Blue. Look.
What do you guys think of my
task
face?
is to murder every
So
parrot.
good.
Just play.
Why are you just
Did
going
you guys
out?
complete your task? Oh wait, Betty, go in the
Oh
middle.
yeah, wait, Pip,
Oh,
I was gonna
Betty.
say I completed
Blue,
Did you
you need
get
to
the
complete your
time?
task, because
I don't know where
you'll
Yes.
lose
I need
time
more
if you
people
don't.
to focus on this base. I need someone to say something here, please.
Do I not get a prize or anything?
It's you.
No, you
Oh,
just
she's
get
trying to
time.
get a task done.
Wow, this
Oh.
staircase is so
Humongous.
tall.
It's luxurious.
It's so tall.
grand,
It's so
I feel
big.
free.
This thing is fantastic. This
It's
thing
horrible.
is.
It's ugly. It looks like.
Wait,
a
how many
mech
people was that?
bullshit.
Wait.
Oh my god, she's
Wait
got
a
her
minute.
Like,
task
why? Who's at
done.
that?
Oh, it's so. Yeah, Blue.
I think that was 3 people.
Wait, were we supposed to compliment
And-
because I did both?
Success.
Stand in the middle.
I'm just waiting
I
till
will
the
always
set.
help someone complete their task.
I'm just waiting till the
Wait,
second
I
and
need-
second.
I need
Oh,
food
it's not like
badly.
it.
I had to get a lot of people to comment on my face.
I need
that was mine.
food. I need food badly. Who wouldn't share their
Did
food with
you?
me?
Did you?
Yeah, you
What
guys commented on my base. I completed
Share
it.
their food
so
with
happy.
me. I'm
I just
hungry.
both
Who
positive
wouldn't
and
share their
Oh
food?
my god, that's a load off. I think I overestimated how much deep sleep I needed, though. I was down there for way too long.
Who hasn't done their task apart from me?
Why is my screen just black?
Because you're
What's wrong
lagging.
with that? I gotta.
Just wait until you see the recording.
She is struggling.
She is struggling.
Eddie, what happened to your Wi-Fi between seasons?
Quinn, literally every time I do
What?
this with Quinn,
It's called Quinn's fault.
What did I do?
Quinn, like
Don't
holding
test me,
many
Everyone
items.
here?
Everyone is here, so pull the lever.
Oh, hi, Blue. You're also
What
in almost
lever?
full diamond.
Everyone implodes.
Why?
Oh,
One
no!
level wrong.
I mean, we're in spawn. We're fine.
Blue, are you
Okay,
having a
bye.
good day? Are you enjoying the
Compliment
session?
Or diss your base? I did both because I didn't know what you mean.
I had to
I have
have,
a
I had to
diamond.
have 3 people compliment my base.
Never really
Okay.
knowing why.
Although I might have to look back on the footage just to be sure it was 3 people, but there was a
I have a
lot of people
diamond.
there, so I think
Yay.
I just did both just
But
in
I
case you
come
needed people
back
to
to
hate
the
it or love
water
it.
to kill the fishies all the time. Where'd they go?
Okay. Anyone want free iron armor, by the way?
Don't give them iron. Don't give them iron.
No, actually,
They killed our parrot.
okay, you
They
don't have a
killed our
chest plate
parrot.
of boots. I'll
They
give it
killed
to
our
you next
parrot.
session because I might have to do something with it first.
No, I already have boots. I just don't have.
the door being thrown out.
Yeah. I'll do it next session. Just
Don't
remember.
make it beat back off.
I'm gonna work on my
Well, you
base
should-
now.
you
I
should
mean,
have
I
given
don't
them
have to.
anything.
Blue, you're gonna hand
but-
me your task.
I mean,
by
I
the way.
started on it. I'm
But
gonna
it's
make
in
it
the last
really
10
weird.
minutes.
So let's just do it.
I'm praying. Is Blue's task giving everybody what they asked for?
Yeah, you Blue. In the last 10 minutes, you can hand it in if it's a whole session thing.
I had to
Well,
take
you're
it.
not allowed to say it
You guys
before you
really don't
hand it
respect
in.
farms, do you?
Wait,
Oh,
what is
Blue.
happening?
Blue.
Blue,
Wait,
Okay,
give
but-
an exception.
Wait, what
They technically did do
happened?
it.
Make an
Blue.
exception. Make an
No.
exception because they technically did do it. They just didn't turn it in.
But, okay, I'll make an exception, but Blue.
Okay, wait. So did
Wait,
Blue
we're
succeed?
allowed
You
to
are
do that.
not allowed to
Yeah.
say your task until you press that fucking button, even if you filled out the requirements.
Blue, did you complete it?
Yes, we have to press the
done.
button, Blue.
Well, they. Okay. It was like, good job,
Wait,
Blue.
Pip, are we allowed to say it now?
You gotta like press the
So-
button and then stand in the middle.
What?
Who,
Oh,
who
boy.
killed?
No, but I hit fail.
Who?
So
Why did
You got
who
5
killed
seconds
that?
left.
I already hit fail. I did that like the beginning.
Also,
You look like yourself, but you're somebody else. Only it ain't on the surface. Well, you talk like yourself. No, I hear someone